the economy is running above potential. So it basically a rip-roaring economy, the stimulus maxing economy. And the downside of this is if this keeps going and the Fed does cut too much, which as you can see, the terminal is still higher than where it was in 24. Like last summer, terminal is still way higher. If the terminal really starts diving and we start getting into like 23 levels and 22 levels, with the current deficit, I think that's when you're going to start to see these swaps like start ripping, and that's going to be a situation where like the Fed would have to would be running the risk of having to reverse policy, and that's probably going to be where the good news is bad news. So until that happens, I think we're just in this Goldilocks environment.
Yeah, it's really like a win-win kind of situation. Like as long as inflation remains predictable and above that 2%, it doesn't really matter. Like that's helping the risk on regime. Inflation is good for
And I think,
assets.
yeah, if they start talking, like if it stays in that over 2.5, like not too hot, but like close, higher than their target, if they start talking like, well, it's not that big of a deal. Like they're not like, no, we got to get to 2, we got to,